Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the design procedure for sleeve or muff coupling. We have completed about the flange coupling and Bushman type flexile coupling, and now in this video we are going to start the design procedure of sleeve or muff coupling. So we are seeing the diagram for muff coupling. So this is muff and this is key, this is diameter of shaft and this is shaft and this is length of the your muff. Okay, so what do you know how to design a sleeve or muff type of coupling? Let's see. Step number 1 is to find the torque. First step of designing sleeve or muff coupling is to find out the torque. T is equals to 60 into P divided by 2 pi n into 10 raised to power 3. This formula generated just by using that power formula, that is P is equals to 2 pi n t by 60. So by that relation we have generated this numerical formula, and by that we can easily find out the torque required. Okay, so by using this relation we need to calculate the T, that is torque required for muff coupling. Step number 2 is to find out the diameter of shaft. See guys, step number 2 is to find out diameter of shaft. So T is equals to pi by 16 into tau into d cube. See guys, T is equals to pi by 16 into tau into d cube. By this relation we can easily find out the diameter of shaft D, because we have the value of T, pi by 16, and tau, which is given in the numerical. So by this relation we can easily find out the diameter of shaft D. Step number 3 is design of sleeve. Now see how to design a sleeve. There are some standard empirical relation is given to us, that is capital D is equals to twice D plus 13, and capital L is equals to 3.5 into D. So check shear stress in sleeve. By this relation we need to check shear stress in sleeve. Okay, sleeve is a hollow shaft, so K is equals to small d upon capital D, and T is equals to pi by 16 into tau into d cube into 1 minus k raised to power 4. Check shear stress induced in sleeve. By this we can easily find out this value of tau. You can see this value of tau, and if this value of tau shear stress less than your permissible value or allowable value which is given in the numerical, then your design will be safe. Step number 4 is to design a key for muff couplings. So guys, there are some empirical relations are given. See, please see, width of key is equals to W into D by 4, W is equals to D by 4, and thickness of key is equals to T, which is given twice of W upon 3, which is D by 6. Okay, so W is equal to D by 4 and T is equals to D by 6. Length of key must be at least equal to length of sleeve. Your length of key must be equal to length of sleeve. The coupling key is usually designed into two parts. Therefore, length of key small l is equals to capital L by 2, which is equals to 3.5 times D by 2. After determining the dimensions of key, the crushing stress and shear stress induced in the key may be checked as follows. For checking the shear stress, you can see torque transferred T is equals to F into D upon 2, which is equals to L into W, okay, into tau into D by 2. So by this relation you can calculate the value of this tau and torque transmitted. And for check crushing stress, T is equals to F into D by 2, so is equals to L into T by 2 into sigma Ck into D by 2. So by this relation you can easily check the crushing stress as well as shear stress in key material. Okay, so in this way we can design the sleeve or muff coupling, and you can solve number of numericals on the basis of this design procedure for sleeve or muff coupling. Thank you.